Determine the output waveform in proper relation to the inputs. This time we have 4 input AND gate. But again, concept is exactly the same. In order to obtain high at the output, all inputs supposed to receive high. If at least one of them is getting 0, output automatically is 0. So let's take a look at this timing diagram. Again, what we're supposed to do first, we're supposed to look at every single wave and draw the dash line from any transition from 0 to 1 or 1 to 0. We have transition from 0 to 1. That's why I'm going to draw the dash line over here. Okay, I have another transition at this point. Okay, I can say that I'm finished with the first waveform, waveform A. Now let's take a look at the waveform B. We have dash line at this point because waveform B at this point has the transition from 0 to 1, and we have also transition from 1 to 0 at this point, this time. Now if you are going to look at waveform C, we have transition from 0 to 1 at this time. Okay, and we have also transition over here from 1 to 0 at this time. Of course, x-axis represents the time. Now, we have waveform D. We have transition over here. And we have transition over here. Now we're supposed to look at the input waveforms. Okay, this is logic 0 because this is level 0. And this is also logic 0 because we are at 0. This is 0 because we are 0, and we have 0. We said that anytime AND gate has 0 at the input, any input, output automatically become 0. Next, we have 1, 0, 0, 0. Again, we have zeros. That's why output is 0. We have 1, 1, 0, 0. Again, we got zeros. That's why we have 0. We have 1, 1, 1, 0. Again, we have got 0. That's why output is going to be 0. We have 1, 1, 1, 1. All inputs are high. Look at the truth table. If AND gate receives highs at the inputs, okay, if you are going to apply highs to the inputs, output automatically become high, no matter how many inputs you have. If all of them are high, output automatically become high, and only at this condition your output is going to be high. Next column, we have 0, 1, 1, 1. We get 0, that's why output automatically is 0. We have 0, 0, 1, 1. This is 0. And we have 0, 0, 0, 1. This is 0. Now you can draw the output waveform, which looks like this. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And we have 1. And again, we have zeros. And basically, this is my output waveform, which is the solution to my problem.